Everyone, my name is Kushal Goswami. I am a software engineer at currently I am work with PCS Global Pvt. So I am pass out in 2021, but after pass out I still a jobless person. But then I have joined to the PCS Global Private Limited, and believe me or not, my full system, my life is fully changed, because here in since I joined last 2 months, I learned basically a lot of new things like web development part, like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and after this course, we developed a website and planning to build a project using this HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and other frameworks like Angular, React, Node.js. Okay, so I suggest the upcoming new juniors to join PCS Global. If you not get a job, please join the PCS Global as a front-end or back-end developer, so you can grow yourself as a very much actually a good developer in IT industry. So please join and grow yourself. Thank you.